Welcome to our channel MPC Foundation Academy. In this video we will discuss about the second chapter, fraction and decimal fraction. Now subtopic is types of fractions. Now we will start our video. Now what is the definition of fraction? First of all, see here, fraction is nothing but the number of the form a divided by b. The number of the form a divided by b where a comma b are natural numbers. Here the number form is a divided by b. A and b are the natural numbers, are known as fraction. Are known as fraction. See here, what is mean by fraction here? Fraction is nothing but fraction. Form of the fraction here, a divided by b. A divided by b. A and b are natural numbers. Natural numbers. Okay, this is the fraction. The form of fraction is a divided by b. A and b are the natural numbers. Here a is nothing but numerator. A is nothing but what here? Numerator. B is nothing but b is known as denominator. Denominator. Okay. See here, the form of fraction is a divided by b. A and b are the natural numbers. A is natural number, b is also natural number. In the form of a by b, a is nothing but numerator, b is called as denominator. B is called as denominator. See here, the number of the form a by b. See here, examples of fractions. Examples of fractions. Here 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 3, 3 divided by 4, 4 divided by 5, 18 divided by 7. These all are the examples of fractions. For example, here 1 divided by 2 means here 1 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator. 2 divided by 3 also numerator 2, denominator 3. 10 divided by 3, 10 is the numerator, 3 is the denominator. Okay, this is the examples of fractions. See here, here a is called numerator. Now only I explained. A is called numerator and b is called denominator. B is called denominator. Okay. Next, one more definition. A fraction may be also defined as the quotient obtained on dividing the numerator by denominator. Okay. One more definition also is there. A fraction is nothing but a quotient obtained on dividing the numerator by denominator. When numerator by denominator we are doing, the quotient is obtained. That is also fraction. See here, some figures are given to understand fractions in better way. See, some figures are there. See here, two figures. Observe this one. Here one circle is there. Here one square, rectangle. When you are observing this circle, this circle is divided into two equal parts. One part is the shaded, okay, and second part is the white. Okay, this circle is divided into how many equal parts here? Two equal parts. Okay, that's why how many equal parts are there here? Two equal parts are there here. That's why in denominator I am writing 2. Why? Because total how many parts are there? 2 parts are there. Next, how many parts are shaded? Only one part shaded. I want to represent the shaded part. That's why 1 divided by 2. In square also divided into how many equal parts? 2 parts. That's why I am writing in denominator 2. Only one part shaded. I want to represent the shaded part too. That's why 1 divided by 2. Here also 1 divided by 2. Total this figures indicates what here? 1 divided by 2. This is the fraction. Here 1 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator. Next, second example, observe here. Here circle is divided into how many equal parts? Circle is divided into how many equal parts total? 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Okay na? Here total how many parts are there? 4 parts. That's why I am writing in denominator 4. Denominator how many? 4. Okay, I wanted to represent only one part. Only one part. That's why in numerator 1. Here also one part only. That's why 1 divided by 4. Here also one part. 1 divided by 4. Here also one part total. Total when we have to all these 4 parts are adding, we will get again circle only. That's why only one circle will come. Okay, this part is the one part of the circle. That is how much part is 1 by 4 part. 1 by 4 part. This is also 1 by 4 part. This is also 1 by 4 part. This is also 1 by 4 part. If this is a 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Total how much you will get? Again 1. Okay na? Next class you will learn it very clearly. See here third figure. Total how many boxes are there? 5 boxes are there. That's why in denominator I am writing 5. How many boxes are shaded? 2 boxes are shaded. That's why 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5. Next here fourth figure. Total how many equal parts are there? 4 equal parts are there. That's why in denominator 4. How many shaded? 3 shaded. This is represent 3 by 4. Here also how many parts are there? 4 parts are there. How many parts are shaded? 3 parts. This is the 3 by 4. This represents 3 divided by 4. This is also represent 3 divided by 4. I want to represent the shaded part only. Shaded part only. Okay na? Lines part. Next here types of fractions. Types of fractions. See here. Total types of fractions how many are there? Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, equivalent fraction, unit fraction. Okay, this many types are there. In this video we will discuss about the proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Next video we will discuss like fraction, unlike fraction, equivalent fraction and unit fraction. For example, first proper fraction. First what here? Proper fraction. What is mean by proper fraction? In a fraction, when numerator is less than the denominator. Okay, when we are observing the proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. It is called proper fraction. It is called what here? Proper fraction. It is called here what here? Proper fraction. In proper fraction what happen here? Numerator is less than the denominator. It means denominator is the greater than the numerator. Okay, in this proper fraction, okay, denominator is greater compared to the numerator, or numerator is lesser than compared to the denominator. Such type of fractions are called proper fractions. In proper fractions, numerator is greater than numerator is less than denominator. Means a is less than b. A by b is fraction. A is less than b. That's why this is the proper fraction. Proper. For example, 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 3, 3 divided by 4, 4 divided by 5, 8 divided by 9. These are the examples of 2 divided by 111. These are examples of the proper fraction. When you observe the numerators are less than the denominators. Okay, this is proper fractions. Next, improper fractions. Next what here? Improper fraction. Same opposite. Improper fraction means what here? Improper means a fraction when numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. It is called improper fraction. When numerator is greater than the denominator, this type of fraction is called what here? Improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator greater than denominator. Okay, numerator is greater than the denominator. Such type of fraction improper. Improper fractions lo numerator is greater than denominator. Means a divided by b fraction. A is greater than B, that's why that's the improper fraction. Improper fraction example 2 divided by 3 divided by 2, 8 divided by 5, 100 divided by 3, 3 divided by 2. These are the examples of 7 divided by 2. These are the examples of what here? Improper fraction. In improper fraction, numerator is greater, denominator is lesser. Okay, this is the improper fraction. Next one, yes, mixed fraction. Next what here? Mixed fraction. What is mean by mixed fraction? See here, a fraction with a whole number part and fractional part. See here, observe. When we have to explain the mixed fraction is consisting two parts. One part is the whole number part, second one is the fractional part. That type of fractions are called mixed fractions. For example, 4 2 by 3. The 4 is the whole number part, 2 divided by 3 is the what here? Fractional part. Okay, means here mixed fraction is consisting how many parts? Two parts. First one is the whole number part, second one is the fractional part. See here, every mixed fraction can be expressed as improper fraction and vice versa. Means here, every mixed fraction can be expressed as improper fraction. Every improper fraction also expressed as mixed fraction. We can convert it into improper to mixed, mixed to improper, mixed to improper, improper to mixed. How to convert this? Now listen. I am taking first one, mixed fraction. Any mixed fraction? 2 5 by 7. This is mixed fraction. Why? Because 2 is the whole number part, 5 divided by 7 is the 2 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is the what here? Fractional part. I want to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. First of all, you have to in denominator how much here? 7. This is quotient. 7 into 2. This is the remainder. Plus 5. Divided by 7 again. 7 into 2 how much? 14 plus 5 divided by 7. 14 plus 5 19 divided by 7. This is the improper fraction. This is mixed fraction. Now mixed to improper. Therefore 2 5 by 7 is equal to 19 divided by 7. 19 divided by 7. Next I want to convert into 90 divided by 7 into mixed fraction. See here, this is the 19 is the dividend, 7 is the divisor, 7 2 ja 14, 2 is quotient, 5 is remainder. See here I want to write the first quotient, you should write 2, next to remainder, next to divisor, quotient, remainder, divisor, quotient, remainder, divisor. Okay. See here, this is the again 2 5 by 7. This is the conversion of mixed to improper, improper to mixed. We have to do one more problem na. We have to do one more problem. Three 1 by 100. Here this is the mixed fraction, 3 is the whole number part, 1 by 100 is the fractional part. I want to convert. Now 100 into 3 plus 1 divided by again 100. 100 into 3 plus 1 divided by 100. 100 into 3 how much? 300 plus 1 divided by 100. Now 301 divided by 100. This is the improper fraction. 3 1 by 100 is equal to 301 by 100. Next to 301 by 100 is equal to 301 is the dividend, 100 is the divisor, 100 3 is 300, now 1 so remainder. Therefore quotient 3, remainder 1, divisor 100. This is the 3 1 by 100 is the mixed fraction. Okay na? This is the conversion of mixed to improper, improper to mixed. Okay, next video one more question is there. Observe 3 4 by 7. 3 4 by 7. 3 is the whole number part, 4 by 7 is the fractional part. Here 7 into 3 or 3 into 7. here plus 4 divided by 7. 3 into 7 how much? 21 plus 4 by 7, 25 by 7. Here 25 by 7 is nothing but improper fraction. I want to convert into mixed fraction. Here 25 is the dividend, 7 is the divisor. 7 3 is 21, 4 is the remainder, 3 is the quotient. That's why first you have to write quotient to remainder or divisor. 3 4 by 7. Okay, 3 by 4 by 7 here also 3 by 4 by 7. 25 by 7, 25 by 7. This is mixed to improper, this is improper to mixed fraction. Okay, now we will stop here. In next video we will discuss about remaining types of fractions. Okay, please subscribe my channel and like this video to share my channel to your friends. Thank you.